Today, I'm going to teach you how to add code to your Shopify Themes Theme.Liquid file. This is particularly useful when you need to integrate third-party apps, add custom tracking codes, or implement site-wide modifications to your store. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once you're there, log in to your Shopify account using your credentials. Make sure you're using an account that has the necessary permissions to edit your store's theme files, as this typically requires administrator or store owner access. After logging in, you'll land on your Shopify admin homepage. Look over to the left side of the screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. From this menu, click on Online Store. This section is where you manage all aspects of your store's appearance and theme settings. It's the central hub for customizing how your store looks and functions on the front end. Once you're in the online store section, you'll see your current active theme displayed prominently. Right beside your current theme, you'll notice 3 dots. This is the Theme Actions menu. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, select Edit Code. This action will take you into the code editor where you can make direct modifications to your theme files. Now, be patient as the code editor loads. Depending on your internet connection and the complexity of your theme, this might take a few moments. Once the editor is fully loaded, direct your attention to the left sidebar. This sidebar displays all the folders and files that make up your theme's structure. Look for the folder labeled Layout and click on it to expand its contents. Under the Layout folder, you'll see a file called Theme.Liquid. This is the master template file that controls the overall structure of your Shopify store. Click on Theme.Liquid to open it in the editor. This file contains the HTML framework that wraps around all your other template files, making it the perfect place to add code that needs to appear site-wide. Now, you can add your custom code directly into the Theme.Liquid file. Whether you're inserting tracking scripts, custom CSS, JavaScript, or any other code snippets, simply place them in the appropriate location within the file. Once you've added your code and double-check that everything looks correct, look to the top right corner of the screen and click Save. This will apply your changes to your live theme. And there you have it, you've successfully added code to your Shopify Themes Theme.Liquid file, enabling you to customize your store exactly as needed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.